So I want to talk a bit about colour now. Now, when you're picking your yarn for your projects, you might want to think a little bit about what colours you're choosing. This is a colour wheel here, and on the colour wheel you'll see the primary colours in the middle, blue, yellow and red. Then you've got the secondary colours, green, which is made up of blue and yellow, orange, which is made up of yellow and red, and purple, which is made up of blue and red. And then you have the tertiary colours around the edge, which are varying shades of yellow to orange to red to purple, all the way around. So when we want to choose a colour, there are a couple of different ways you can do it. You can choose complementary colours. That is colours that are opposite each other on the wheel. So you might choose yellow and purple, or you might choose orange and blue. So they generally look quite good together. You could also choose analogous colours. They're colours next to each other on a colour wheel. So maybe you would choose the light green, the yellow and the yellowy orange colour. Or you might choose an orange, a red and a pinky purpley colour. There are other ways to do it. You could also choose colours in a triangle. So you choose this light middle blue here and the yellow and the red. Or you might choose this turquoisey greeny colour, the pale orange and the pinky purple colour. Or you could you could make a square. That's another way if you want 4 colours. So you could have this pinky colour, this bluey purpley colour, the light green and the medium yellow. So that's just a really short introduction to colour. There's a colour wheel in your workbook to colour in, and obviously you can print this colour wheel out as well for reference. Okay?